Hey everybody, it's Matt here, and today I'm going to show you how to stake the FER, FER token for xFER on the Ferro Protocol. So this is very, very similar to staking VVS for xVVS on VVS Finance, which you might have seen how to do in my video up here. Now, before we jump into that, I need to say this video is not in any way financial advice. It's all just for your entertainment. You should make sure you do all of your own research and definitely don't invest anything that you can't afford to lose. Now, I'll stick links down in the description for some of the other videos that are on related topics to this, just to try and help lead you into this if you haven't done anything much with DeFi on the Cronos chain before or in general. So I'm going to be doing this using the crypto.com DeFi wallet, and I already have FER tokens in my wallet. If you don't, you'll need to make sure that you've got those tokens in your wallet already, and you will also need CRO in your wallet, and this is on the Cronos chain, not the crypto.org chain. If you have it on the crypto.org chain and not Cronos, you'll need to do a bridge transaction to send it across. I've got a video on how to do that up here. So make sure you have CRO because you need that to pay the network fees. If you don't have CRO, you can't pay the fees, you can't stake your FER. So really important there. If you've got all of that, you're ready to go, come with me into the crypto.com DeFi Wallet app. If you don't have a DeFi wallet yet, check out the video up here on how to set up the crypto.com DeFi Wallet app and create your own wallet. From the crypto.com DeFi Wallet dashboard, you want to click that browser button, which is in the middle down the bottom of the screen there. So along the bottom menu, browser, right in the middle. From here, you want to go to the Ferro Protocol. Right now, it's right at the top of the popular list for me. You can also find it by jumping over to that Cronos dApps tab, and it'll be in that list, although you might have to scroll down a bit more to find it. It's there somewhere. There it is, Ferro Protocol. You can also search for it up in that search bar. So we'll jump into the Ferro Protocol. It will likely prompt you, if you haven't been here before, that you're responsible for everything you do. So basically, have a quick read through that. Make sure you're happy. At the end of the day, this is an interaction with a smart contract. Anything could happen. That's one of the risks of dealing in crypto and DeFi and so on. So you can choose to say, don't show me this warning again if you want, and then click got it, and it'll take you through to the dAPP. So on the Ferro Protocol, first thing we want to do if we haven't been here before is connect our wallet up. So if we click that menu button up in the top right, the hamburger icon, we then want to click that blue connect button here. It'll ask us what wallet app we're using. So the crypto.com DeFi wallet, because that's what I'm doing this in. It'll then connect up your wallet. And if we then click that hamburger menu again, it should show something like this with our abbreviated wallet address listed where that blue connect wallet button was before. Now, we want to stake some FER tokens, right? So we'll click that stake button in the menu it's the third option down, just above your wallet address there. And that's brought us to the stake FER screen. Now, first thing we have to do is actually enable access for the smart contract to access our FER tokens in our wallet. So we have to click that blue enable button just below that stake section. It'll ask us to approve this. Now, this is our first network fee. This requires some CRO to pay the network fee. So we'll click confirm if we're happy with that. Otherwise, click reject to cancel and to not do this. This might take a few seconds up to a couple of minutes, depending on how busy the network is at the time. It's usually pretty quick for me, I find. So we just have to wait for that before we can do anything else. And there we go. It is done. So that took about 20 seconds this time. That enable button should now be grayed out and the text changed to enabled. And from here now, what we want to do is click that stake FER button. You can choose how much you want to stake. I'm going to go with the max that I've got in my wallet at the moment. It'll then show us what the expected return and what the conversion rate is on this FER. It's giving us 1 xFER for approximately 1.0111, etc. FER. So my 14.19 FER will get me 14.03 xFER. We've also got the APR there. And that APR is based purely on the appreciating value of xFER against FER. So you don't receive that in a traditional harvestable sense. Instead, when you unstake, your xFER will equal greater FER than it did when you staked it. Basically, that conversion rate should always be going up. So at the moment, that's an estimated APR of 1.83. That amount fluctuates It will change. Once we're all good to go, click that blue confirm button. It'll again confirm, and it's also explaining just there, kind of what I just said. The xFER is not tradable. It just increases value over time, so you'll be entitled to get more FER back from the platform when you redeem your xFER back into FER. So we'll click confirm to proceed. It will then go to another network confirmation, and again, that requires CRO to pay that network fee, so you need that CRO. Once you're good to go, click that blue confirm button if you're happy with the fee. Again, this will take a few seconds to a minute or so usually to process. Okay, there we go, that's done, it's been confirmed. We can now see on that stake screen on the Ferro Protocol what our current xFER amount is and what that total value is in FER. So that total value is what we're going to expect to see going up over time. So keep in mind, it is not going to be something that you come in and harvest. It's something that you come in and essentially redeem back. We can earn more by using the vault. Right now, down the bottom of the screen, it's saying that we can deposit the xFER into the Ferro vault to earn up to, right now, an APR of 685%, which is pretty massive. So that's it. You've now staked your FER tokens for xFER. They're going to start to earn a yield over time, which you can redeem back whenever you are ready to do so. So I hope you found this video helpful. I'm going to do another one shortly on how to actually lock that xFER into the Ferro vaults so that you can earn a higher yield on it. And that's really worth having a look at. So once that's ready, there'll be a link for that up here so that you can find it. In the meantime though, let me know down in the comments if you've got any questions about this or about any other crypto related topics, particularly on the Cronos chain at the moment. I'm working through a series on DeFi related topics, particularly focusing on Cronos at the moment. So let me know down in the comments if there are questions. Otherwise, make sure you give this video the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me as they come out. Hit that bell to get notified, otherwise you just might miss them and you don't want that, do you? Have an awesome day. I will catch you next time. Bye.